there's on.
I'm on now. Over.
We're on. Oh my goodness sakes, you guys. I just got out of the car and...
Had your CB on?
It's on.
I just did.
Okay.
I'm good. 21? Oh.
Yeah, but it's not even putting us on the freeway. We're going to go back roads the whole way.
Oh, I don't know.
Because we would have to go back up the other way and backtrack. So it's having us hug 19 miles. That's not bad, though. It's all paved.
And it's
Okay,
all
let
probably
me
50
look
mile
real
an hour
quick.
road anyway.
Oh, yeah, okay. That's
It's going to be
perfect.
what they call a frontage road.
Yeah.
That are everywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. So what we're doing is saying that we might stay here at Shields in Bismarck. But the thing is, let me get you guys focused. I'm still learning my camera, and I was just looking on the screen. The thing is that this is a strip mall where the Shields is. Eric went in and asked. The lady said she didn't care, but that we needed to call security, their mall security.
Mall security, yeah.
And I said, well, I would prefer to stay in somewhere other than a parking lot, because we did that last night. So I found on freecampsites.net a fish and wildlife area that said that it's 10 consecutive days. It's 20 miles down the road, so we feel pretty comfortable doing that. It is so windy out, and the camper is just rocking back and forth every time the wind hits it. So the less driving we have to do today, the better for us. And
But we are out front with a heater.
yeah. All right, we are heading down the road, and we'll see you guys at the campsite. Hopefully it's a decent place and we can get back off the road. So, all right.
Enjoy the drive.
Yep. Of what it is, I don't know what. I don't know if it's just back through town or not. So, all right, see you in a minute.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
You gotta come up here. Come on, Moo. Come on, Auntie's on your chair. All right, we're gonna go down to the store.
You gotta find the store. Did you get GPS to the store? Look at them.
Oh my God, there's so many.
We're gonna get.
Look, because they're over here too.
Yeah, they're just gonna
pull
keep
up
going
on
in
the
and
side of the
out.
road.
You got your chocolate milk too, right?
Chocolate milk, yeah.
Yeah, we both got Betsy's Best. So Betsy's Best, it's a locally owned dairy farm, and they have the best chocolate in town, I guess. Chocolate milk.
Yes,
Even Aja bought a bottle of it, so we're gonna check it out. Good morning, everybody. We are in McKenzie, North Dakota. We are back on a piece of fish and wildlife property where it is okay to camp out in this little tiny area. And look at this, you guys. The sun is coming up right through those trees. So gorgeous. All right, we are getting ready to head out. Eric's got his stuff going up. Scotty's over there topping off the antifreeze, I think is what he's doing. And Aja's over here getting ready, and we are getting ready to hit the road. Your skeleton lost its foot and its arm. Aja's decorations are falling apart.
Part of his bone is on this window.
Hang on, you guys gotta see that. Say that again.
Part of his bone is on the window sill.
His arm flew off but got on the windowsill. Oh goodness. All right, so we stopped here to see the large crane. Scotty's over here checking out the old RV resort. Yeah, that would definitely be a thumbs down for an RV resort, huh? But they have
Work and then it goes away.
right. They even have bathrooms over here. No longer usable. The sign above says campers register at the west end. They even, isn't that a cool bus over there? And then they even had an RV dumping water over here. But no longer. I'm not really sure what little town we're in. I'll try to put that on the video in a little note there. But we just pulled off to see the crane today, and then we're heading to Jamestown. Yeah, that is a tall bird. Well, the sign's a little tethered, but you can still read the world's largest sandhill crane. And here's the information.
All behind you, Aj. Over.
Okay, the little town that we just stopped in is called Steele, North Dakota. So that's where the big crane is. And we are getting on the road, heading to Jamestown now. So we'll see you there.
See him from up here.
Jax, you gonna go see some buffalo? All right, we're gonna go see some buffalo, hopefully.
Wild wings.
Wild wings.
So basically, unless you're really gutsy, do not go in this field. Because these buffalo can haul some booty.
Yes,
You better be quick. Or you're going to be stompled.
Yes, you will be. All right, we're at the National Buffalo Museum and Gift Store. And I don't think that we're going to go into the museum. It's $8 a person, and I think we're just going to go out and see if we can see the buffalo. But they've got a really nice gift shop in here. If you're in the area and want to get souvenirs, all kinds of cool buffalo stuff. T-shirts, walking sticks, and just trinkets. But we are going to go out. We're going to walk around the little historical town down here, the western town, and see if we can find anything cool down there to film. And they are closed for the season, but we can still walk around and show you guys some things. All right, let's go on outside and check it out. Well, that just seems kind of wrong. They're selling ground bison hot dogs, and steaks at the National Buffalo Museum. That just seems so wrong, doesn't it? It really does.
Fred was here. Where's he at?
It's just so wrong. Anyway, so beautiful knickknacks. Would you like to buy some bison?
No, I've already talked about it. I was like,
It just seems so wrong.
it is wrong. Like, what happened to Fred? Oh, there he is.
Oh yeah, free?
Free. I can put that on my
Aw,
laptop.
so we'll go ahead and get one of those.
Thank you so much.
Free little stickers. Yay. All right, let's go outside and check things out.
Go for it!
Tink.
That is pretty cool. I like that.
That was funny.
Oh, see, they used to have one here, so if you dropped it at the same time, you could have dueling
So
pennies.
this is
That
to
would be
feed
better.
their herd. So drop your pennies and coins in there. Eric's gonna feed these little critters. Aren't they cute? But the one with the big long horns, he keeps ramming the other ones because he wants the food that's coming down. Cute.
That is some real intricate metal siding. That's how they did it back then. Who needs corner trim? Bend it around.
Okay, let's walk out here. I'm not sure if we're gonna see any buffalo or not, or bison. I just haven't figured it out yet. What'd you think, Moo? It's cold, huh? Chilly, 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 chilly. Chilly willy, huh?
Did you put some in there?
She's got her sweater and her jacket on today.
Ooh, look at the big one. He's like, hey, going. What's on there?
He's kind of a bully.
Who?
The one with the horns.
No, the one with the...
Which one?
Literally the black or the brown one. When you feed it, it sticks its mouth to the feeder tube and eats all the food.
Oh, he's smart. But then see, look at the one with the horn. He's kind of, he's a
kinda
billy
mean.
goat.
He's just trying to, he's like, get out of my way. I'm trying to,
So much for the bucket here.
I know, it doesn't work very well.
Oh, hey now, that's enough.
That's what they do.
Be kind to each other. I was just putting her money in here. Oh, wait.
Now watch the big one. He'll have his
And then
lips
it's
right
going to come
underneath
down this
The big
tube.
one's right there. He's
it. You'll
Okay.
hear it.
he's trying to eat all the food.
Hi.
Look, he just.
The little one runs away. That's why the big
Oh,
one
look,
is
it went
so
on the other
big,
side of the
because he
bucket,
eats all
though.
the food.
It went on the other side of the bucket, so he'll be able to get some.
He's like, I'm sticking my tongue all the way up there.
I feel bad for the small.
Aja, are you having fun feeding them?
Yeah, I feel bad for the small one.
Yeah, maybe he gets some extra food in the evening.
This is why the brown one is so big, because he gets all the food. He sticks his mouth to the tube. He's like, just pour it in.
Yeah, look at it. He just wants to.
He just horns everybody. You're horny.
No, not that one. That one just, yeah, that one's a...
See if he pushes. Oh, now's when you. Oh,
Hey, chill out.
See if you did, there goes.
He's just not very nice
One's
to
like,
him.
you just wait till my horns get big.
Oh yeah, I see what he does. He puts his face
Yes.
right up in there.
And they don't let the small one get it.
The small one though, he's smart. He goes right behind that bucket and protects himself from the big horn and the big guy.
That's it. Use the bucket. Smack him in the face with it. Take this bucket. Smack.
All right, that's enough fun with the goats. Well, this little town is really cute. They've got a post office, dentist, art gallery, print shop, sheriff's office, and the Blue Blazes saloon.
Turn up.
Horse thief shot by the marshal, 1873. That's not good. Got the old firehouse.
Oh, pretty.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you definitely want to come to this little place when they're open, because you can go on inside these little buildings. They've got some cool antiques in there. But that's okay. We're going to walk on down here to the big buffalo and see if we can find us some buffalo. Well, we have a nice little view of the area up here. And look what we found, guys. The buffalo. There. I didn't bring my zoom lens down here. Which I should have, but that's okay. So there we go, we got to see some buffalo or bison. I just can't figure out which ones they are. We'll have to ask. They say that's the world's largest buffalo. Pretty big. Scotty, stand in front of the camera so they can get an idea. Yeah, there we go. Oh gosh, it makes Scotty look like really little. Alright, it is time to get back in the truck. It is
Cold.
and we are going to be heading south real soon here, but we still have some other things we want to see here in North Dakota, so a few more days of coldness and then heading south.
I can deal with it.
Yep.
You're a tough woman, you can deal with it. I know
It's
that.
really beautiful here, you guys, and I'm glad that we came at this time of the year, even though we are dealing with the cold. Look at the trees. I mean, the autumn colors are magnificent. So anyways, if you get in this area, come on down here and check it out.